disaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharide is a simple sugar. A disaccharide is two of those simple sugars hooked together. And a polysaccharide is many of those simple sugars hooked together. We often name them based upon how many carbons they have in the structure. Pentoses have 5 carbons. Hexoses have 6 carbons. They'll either form a straight chain, or if you put them in water, they have a tendency to make a ring structure as well. These are all showing ring structures, which would be more relevant to a living organism because all of ours are going to be in the ring form. And you can see here's fructose. It's still C6H12O6, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. So it's the same chemical compound. This is a ketone form. These two are aldehydes. The only difference here is the orientation on the number 4 carbon here, whether the hydroxyl group is up in the plane for galactose or down in the plane for glucose. Now, why is this important? This is important because if your body is going to use these, it must be able to recognize them and have some protein or whatever that can bind to them. Right? Sometimes we're really good at binding to this and not so good at binding to that. And we may not be able to bind to this at all. Right? So even though they're so similar, these two are so similar, an enzyme that might function in oxidation of one of these or the other can't recognize this one just simply because this hydroxyl group is out of place. It should be down. Okay? Sometimes that matters. Sometimes it doesn't so much. It really depends.